that you are fine, and as you can see that I am also fine. Student, as you know that due to COVID-19 disease, so that we have to stay in our home. And my suggestion for you that please stay in your home and be safe. Student, life is not the name of stop anything. Life means moving ahead. So that we are also organize SMPS online classes for you, and this is your first class. This is the class for grade 2, chapter number 1, food we eat. First of all, I want to show you your book. This is the first page of your book, front page of your book. The name of this book is Social Planet. Now student, right now we are using a word a lot, social distancing. It means कि आपस में दूरी बनाना, सामाजिक दूरी बनाना. And your book's name is also Social Planet. So there are 15 chapters in your book, student. Look nicely. 15 chapters, and this is your first chapter, food we eat. Student, in previous class I taught you that why do we need food and from where do we get food. These all things I taught you. In these classes we will move on, right? Like I will tell you about the category of food. Student, there are 3 categories in food items. First one is energy giving food. Second one is bodybuilding food. And third one is protective food. Students, energy giving food are those food, the food that give us energy to do anything. We work, we play due to energy. If we have no energy, then we can't do anything. So, energy giving food gives us energy. Like cereals. Cereals means food grains like rice, wheat, corn, potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-T-S, potatoes. Now next one is ghee. Oil. One of jaggery. Jaggery means good. Etc. Now I will talk about bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food give strength to our muscles and bones. I will give some example for this bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food give strength to our muscles and bones. Some bodybuilding foods are milk, fish, eggs, meat, etc. Now I will talk about the protective food. All fruits and vegetables protect us from different diseases. Fruits and vegetables. Student, it is said to be that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. It means कि one person who eat an apple every day, who will not go to doctor any day. So that student, fruits and vegetables are protective food who protect us from different diseases. Now there are also one category, junk food. Junk food are unhealthy food that make us sick, ill. Junk food like burger, pizza, samosas, and all the things that are available in the market in packet and also openly. It means ki deep fried food. You should not eat those type of food because they make you ill. Now I will tell you about some vegetables that we can eat raw. Raw, R-A-W, raw means kacha. R-I-P, right means पका हुआ. I am talking about R-W, raw means कच्चा. तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि कुछ वेजिटेबल्स को हम कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. अब आपको लगता होगा हम इस तो झूठ बोल रही है. ऐसा कभी होता है? कभी हम कोई वेजिटेबल कच्चा खाते हैं? But there are many vegetables that can be eat raw, like cucumber, carrot, and other many vegetables, onion, etc. that can be eaten raw. इसको हम कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. Raw is opposite of ripe, R-I-P, ripe that means पका हुआ. I have missed one thing, cook means पका हुआ and R-A-W, raw means कच्चा. Okay? तो आप पका हुआ खाना खाते हो. raw तो vegetables तो कभी भी कच्चा नहीं खा सकते, but there are also some vegetables. I told you the examples like cucumber, carrot, onion, tomato also. So these are some vegetables that can be eaten raw also. When we cook food, then it makes it tastier. When we cooking food make it tastier. Now student, आपने कभी पोटैटो कच्चा खाया है? आपने कभी नहीं खाया होगा. आप एक बार जाके टेस्ट कर लो कैसा लगता है. नहीं ना खा पाए, गंदा लगा ना खाने में. I don't think that it tastes good. जब आपकी मम्मी खाना पकाती है तो वो आपका खाना बहुत टेस्टी बन जाता है, टेस्टी. और जब वो खाना आप खाते हो तो वो आपको डाइजेस्ट भी अच्छे से होता है और वो सबसे अच्छा भोजन होता है. But student, you should understand that you should not overcook food. You should not eat overcooked food. ज़्यादा पका हुआ खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए because it destroys the nutrients that available in the food which help us to grow. Nutrients are those elements which help us to grow. So that we should not overcook food and we should not eat overcooked food also. So again students, we ate 3 meals in a day. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night. And there are some also good eating habits that should be followed. Like we should not eat uncovered food. We should always wash our hands before and after every and each meal. We should not eat junk food. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. It means ki before breakfast and after dinner, in the morning and at night. We should always eat clean and fresh food. And we should always eat our meals and fixed time. It means ki breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon and dinner at night at a fixed time. मीन्स कि अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि 8 बजे हमको ये खाना है, ब्रेकफास्ट खाना है मॉर्निंग में, तो आपको डेली ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा और फिर फिक्स टाइम में आपको खाना लेना, अपना मील्स लेना पड़ेगा. और अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो यू विल बी फॉल इन इल. ओके, यू शुड कल्टिवेट गुड ईटिंग हैबिट्स इन योरसेल्फ. नाउ स्टूडेंट, you should not eat spicy food like the food that contains too much red chili powder, too much turmeric powder, too much coriander powder, that type of food. You should not eat spicy food, too much oily food, not eat. You should maintain this type of things that help you to be healthy. Students, now I want to tell you one more thing. Milk is called a complete food. Why? Because milk contains every nutrient, almost every nutrient, so that you should always drink one glass of milk in every morning. So students, these are some things. Now it's turn of your homework. I want to give you some homework so that please now students, turn off your homework. Look at the blackboard. I will give you the homework. Write and remember. We should always eat clean and fresh food. We should always wash our hands before and after each meal. We should not overeat. मीन्स कि हमें ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should eat as we can. We should brush our teeth twice in a day. These are 4 good habits that should be followed by you. So write this and remember this carefully. This is your homework. So have a nice day. Thank you. Again, stay home and stay safe.